Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to install Java in Windows. So just open your browser and simply search for JDK download. The first link, Java downloads, it is from oracle.com. Just click on it and open it. I will also mention the link in the description for your convenience. Now here under Java downloads, just scroll down and you will find JDK 23. It is the latest version. Here you will find different options for Linux, Mac OS or for Windows. Since we are downloading for Windows, so just click on Windows, just scroll down. Here you will get 64-bit installer. So just click on this link to download JDK. Now you can see it is downloading. So just wait for it to complete. Once it downloaded, just double click on the downloaded.exe file. Let me minimize the browser. It will ask, do you want to allow this application to make changes to your device? Click yes. Now a setup wizard will open. Here just click next. Now here it is your installation location where it will get installed. It will get installed in your C drive under program files. So leave it as default and just click next. Now it is installing. Wait for it to complete. Once it installs, just click close. Now we need to set up the path environment variable for Java. Go to the location where you have installed JDK. Go to your C drive. Here go to program files. Here you will find Java. Just open it. Here you will get JDK 23. Just open this folder JDK 23. Just open bin folder. Now here on the top, click on the address bar. Now here just select and copy it. Just copy this full path. Minimize. Now go to your search bar and here you type environment variable. Here you will get in Windows 11 you will get two options: edit environment variable for your account, edit the system environment variables. So you will click on edit the system environment variable. Just click on it, edit the system environment variables. Now here under advanced, just click on environment variables. Under system variable, just scroll down and find path. Click on path and select path. Then click on edit. Here click on new. Then just paste your copied path. Once you have pasted, just click on OK. Now in the system variable, click on new. Here you just type Java underscore home and here you paste your copied path. In this time you paste your copied path till JDK-23. Don't paste till bin. Once you have pasted in the variable value till JDK-23, just click on OK. Now you can see new variable is created with the name of Java home with an value C program files Java JDK. Now once it done, Just click on OK here and just click on OK here again. So go to Windows search bar and just type CMD and open your command prompt. Here you just type Java hyphen version. If you get this complete information, that means Java is installed properly in your system and we have set up the path variable successfully. Now, so that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. If you have any issue, leave a comment below. I will be happy to help. See you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.